This is what it looks like, as I said, when it's set up. I'm showing you the screen here because the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the bottom menu down here, the black area in what we call the taskbar area, and you're going to click on this little circle that says RM3A software. And when you touch it, it'll say that for you. You're going to click on it, and this is what's going to come up. This is the beginning of the testing system itself. In order to be able to add patients and get ready to go for your testing, you just hit the start button. Okay? Now, it's very important here to understand that the very first thing you need to do whenever you're running this equipment is you need to do a test of the pulse oximeter, because when you unplug and plug back in, sometimes the unit can get disoriented. If it does, the pulse oximeter won't function. If it doesn't function, what's going to happen is the test is going to shut off in the middle of the test, and you're not going to realize why it happened unless you understand. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go right up here with our mouse to the settings area right there. And we're going to click on that. And in the setting area, you'll notice down here, it says Oxy GSR. Okay? Oxy is the pulse oximeter. You're going to click that little button next to the Oxy letters, and now you're ready to test the pulse oximeter. In order to be able to test it, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to look and see that the light in here is blinking very fast. Click, 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 click. When you touch it or you put your finger near it, it goes solid. You got to make sure that it does that. Fast, like so, and then when you put your hand near it, and you can see it's red right now, it'll immediately go to the deal, and you put your finger in like so, and it goes solid. So now I'm going to put it on the right index finger, and you put it so it's just barely in front. You get about half the nail covered and half of it uncovered. When it's done, it looks like that. Now I'm going to set it on the table, and all I'm going to do is hit the start button here. When I hit this start button, it's going to go across. You'll notice it's a solid line here to begin with, and now it's beginning to run. So it is running correctly. You can see the waveform of the pulse oximeter, and that tells it that it's functioning correctly. So we can go ahead and hit the cancel button right here, and we are now ready to add a patient and do a test.